Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di channel Mama Gesa. Tempatnya kita berbagi cerita dari seluruh dunia. Dari mancanegara ada, dari Indonesia juga ada. Kali ini masih dalam series Jumbo, The Art Book of Jumbo. Oke, Mama Gesa akan lanjutkan kembali cerita tentang Bubble Island. Buat yang baru aja bergabung dan menemukan channel Mama Gesa ucapkan selamat bergabung. Welcome to Mama Gesa channel. Dan jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe, karena pasti ada cerita seru setiap harinya. Oke, let's go to the Bubble Island. Ini adalah cerita yang manis banget ya, dimana imajinasi ini juga melibatkan dan dimulai dari mama dan papanya Don. Lihatlah Don waktu kecil, imut sekali. Alright, so this is the story. The storybook written by Don's parents serves as the opening scene of the film, the book that introduces us to Don and his world. The handmade storybook became one of Don's most treasured possessions. It also serves as a key narrative element that propels his journeys forward. Right, dia jadi the tale of the night on Bubble Island ya. Wow. Dan bagaimana sih cerita Bubble Island berasal? Ternyata teman-teman, the tale of the night on Bubble Island was born from Don's mother's anxiety about leaving their child behind for work, fearing he might feel lonely in their absence. And then from that very concern came the idea to create a bedtime story filled with implicit message just for Don. Jadi kemana-mana makanya Don bawa cerita atau buku ini ya. Wow. Woo. Ini ada papanya nih. And this is the Bubble Island mood. The concept art of Bubble Island's environment contains a wide array of complex elements, and to achieve a grand and cohesive vision, every small detail needed to be carefully refined. That's why each component of this fantastical storybook world was crafted with its own distinct concept and purpose. Wow, Bubble Island. Oh. Lengkap sekali ya dengan penjelasannya. Tokoh-tokoh juga, karakter juga, very detail. And then this is the Bubble Island night. Ini ada Don, ada juga papa dan mamanya. Don, mom, and dad night costumes. Wow, so cutie. Wow. Don storybook. Wow. Pulau Gelembung, the Bubble Island. Ya. Beyond the story within its pages, the physical design of the Bubble Island storybook also went through a thoughtful conceptual process with numerous early iterations. And this is the detail. Wow, amazing. These are of the detail of each page. And this part. Wow, amazing, amazing. And this is, wah, seru sekali ya, sahabat Mama Gesa. Waduh, dan ini dia pahlawannya. Oke, di kesempatan berikutnya Mama Gesa akan kembali dengan cerita tentang The Jumbo Gang. Oke, so tetap stay tune di channel ini, karena pastinya akan ada cerita seru setiap hari. Mama Gesa pamit. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe. Nantikan cerita baru setiap harinya. Bye-bye.